Welcome back once again, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about the concept of pleiotropy. Pleiotropy simply means it is first of all a deviation from Mendelism. And before understanding pleiotropy, we should understand what is the Mendel's stand. Mendel believed in the concept of unit character, which means that every single genetic character is being controlled by a single unit factor or a single gene, and that gene exists in pairs. Okay, that means Mendel believed in the concept of unit character. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, this is allele A, this is allele small a. Okay, this is a single gene existing in pairs. Okay, and this gene controls, say for example, character X. So as per Mendelism, there is a one-to-one relationship between genes and characters. Okay, this gene controls character X. But after Mendel, a number of instances surfaced where it has been found that a single gene contributes to more than one phenotypic traits. Okay, for example, ये एक gene है, it controls character X, and besides character X, it controls character Y, and it controls character Z. So all such instances wherein a single gene controls the phenotypic traits, okay, more than one phenotypic traits, this is known as pleiotropy. So the simplest way of defining pleiotropy is when a single gene influences two or more seemingly unrelated phenotypic traits in an organism, this is known as pleiotropy. Okay, एक जीन एक से ज़्यादा कैरेक्टर्स को कंट्रोल करता है, this is known as pleiotropy. And a gene which is involved in this phenomenon, this is known as pleiotropic gene. Okay, pleiotropy was first of all noticed by Mendel, wherein he found that the flower color, whether it is white or purple, it is determined by the color of leaf axil and the color of seed coat. Okay, फ्लावर का कलर वाइट होगा या पर्पल होगा, it is determined by the color of leaf axil and the color of seed coat. That means a single gene, it is controlling three characters: flower color, leaf axil color, and seed coat color. Okay, nowadays, due to recent advancements in the science of genetics, it has been found that pleiotropy is widespread in human genome. It is abundant in the human genome and has been implicated. It has been linked to a number of human disorders. Okay, and it is sometimes used to refer to the disorders where multiple seemingly unrelated organ systems are affected. Say for example, you have an individual, and in that individual a number of unrelated organ systems are affected. It can be a consequence of pleiotropy. For example, एक organ individual में organ system A affected है, organ system B affected है, organ system C affected है. Okay, it can be a consequence of a single mutation. अगर एक gene में mutation आ गई, okay, and the product of this gene X, mutated gene X, it is not only controlling the organ system A, it is not only affecting the organ system A, it is also affecting organ system B, it is also affecting organ system C. This is pleiotropy. Okay, तो कैसे ये होता है, एक जीन में म्यूटेशन हो जाती है, and the product of this gene, since it is involved in a number of cells and pathways, it affects the organ system A, it affects the organ system B, and it affects the organ system C. So the protein product of this gene X, okay, which is mutated, because of its involvement in a number of cells and pathways, it affects the unrelated organ systems. Okay, this is pleiotropy. That means the same gene X, it is affecting a number of unrelated organ systems. Here you can see in the image, you have this single gene, the protein product it encodes, it affects a number of unrelated traits: trait A, trait B, and trait C. This phenomenon wherein a single gene, wherein the gene protein product of a single gene, it is involved in a number of pathways and hence affects a number of unrelated traits, this is known as pleiotropy. Okay, so this is all about the concept of pleiotropy. I hope you all understand this. See you soon with the examples of pleiotropy in the coming classes. Till then, stay blessed and thank you.